My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it and I never get bored. Cause the oceans got a fever, they got a fever, it don't even rhyme. All aboard invertebrate phylogenetic tree. Let's go! Communication! How do ocean currents affect the world? Wacky wave of inflatable arm flailing tube man. For comparison, it's a big thing of poop. Dino droppings? Le-hoo. No, this is so, I've lost it.
They're coming up and they're doing that, right, with their human heads.
Right.
And do I look absurd yet? Very good.
Ah! My pants just completely ripped. It's a teaching moment. The state tree is ponderosa pine, evergreen, stays green. Even go. To open up the gate for the first time. That's the nice key change at the end.
You're at the edge of the water, so at the edge of the water, as long as I can remember.
I can do a better dolphin, okay? Wait for the drop and
But this is at the club.
Yeah, exactly.
Mom!
Don't underestimate the importance of body language. Evergreens on 3, 1, 2, 3. A honeybee will perform something called a waggle dance to indicate to other honeybees, to indicate on a honeybees. In this paper entitled, talk about a rebound. Talk about a rebound. Talk about a rebound. It's when it rebounds off the board.
Walruses.
What's a walrus?
Walruses.
Walrus? Walrus?
Walruses.
Whether it's escaping, nope, that's not that word. Take a look at ants. Take a look at ants. Take a look at ants. Take.
Every time.
Take a look at ants. Take a look at ants. How about that?
That was great.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then I don't know if you notice that one of the turtles falls off and gets stuck on her shell. And she goes like this.
Kind of just like.
Do you need B-roll of me running around in my... Well, if you didn't, you have it now. The chair creaks as soon as I do anything too big physically.
Sure.
So I'll just try to put it in my face.
Okay.
That's what she said.
Mom! Sorry, I'm blowing out your ears. Sorry.
And they're kind of out like there. And there's like 4 of them.
You're gonna like dogpile.
Okay.
So imagine.
I know what I
So I
think
will
I know
fall
exactly
and then
what
he'll
to do.
behind me. He's got it.
Right. Okay.
I think I know exactly what to do. I'll do it for real this time.
When my sweet baby Jane cat comes and rubs her face against mine, she's leaving behind pheromones. Hang on. I was just thinking about sweet baby Jane and I went into a voice and it got weird.
Women's.
Whale. At www.youtube.com at https:// Does this look perfectly dumb?
It's perfectly done.
Excellent. Nope, just gonna go. When I'm being costumed, I don't look, because I'm like, if I look terrible, I'm not gonna want to go on stage, so I'm just not gonna look at myself.
You are Dr. Ian Malcolm.
Oh, I am. Life finds a way.
Who are you saying?
Ian Malcolm, who else is there?
Dr. Grant says it too.
No, he doesn't. You're so wrong, and I just got a media thing right over here.
No way, Dr. Grant has to say life finds a way.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does when he's looking at the eggs.
I can't take any of us seriously right now, just so you know. So, as I'm on my knees with a pipe cleaner glitter on my head.
Sex. Let's get chemical. Let's get chemical.
She's the worst. She's the worst.
Cause she's the worst.
Money, please.
Technically, I'm homeless.
Yeah, they've got this thing kind of going on, and then they, every now and then, they're looking around.
We'll find out more about this and the implications for the next Finding movie is what I was trying to say.
Right here,
Chef
post.
Goldblum. This is a very nice, nice looking set.
Growl, a little more growly like that.
Very
And he
nice
goes,
looking set.
nope, it's it's got a rhythm, I think. Anyway, we'll figure it out later. This whole next paragraph is gonna be brutal. These species take any conserved machinery between humans and this between's sake.
No more bread. Let's get this bread out of here.
Balls to the wall, all out. No holds barred back? No barred holes? No holes? Holds. Holes? Are there bars over holes? I don't know this idiom. I do not know this idiom. But wait, there's more.
What if, when you crawl to the bowl, you actually take a bite from it so we know that there's actually something in there?
Well, I guess that makes sense. Almost, baby. So close.
One of your cards is up.
No! So close, baby.
Am I a shark yet? This has led to some really neat innovations in the plant bedroom department, but we'll save those for our plant-themed month. Classic me.
This week fell on the sword, killing herself on the same night that killed her